Hello everyone, today I would like to do some presentation in here. As you can see, I already opened up the code, but before we going to start it, let me introduce myself. My name is Helen Kijana Fitasiaan, or you can call me Iza. My NEM is 2023 32 and I'm from class A, System Information. I will be explain the code in here, which is the text tool. In here, I'm using English, but I'm so sorry if the require is using Bahasa, but as usual, I'm using English for the segment in here. Okay, let's start to the first one. Okay, as you can see in here, I already open up. It was in the GitHub. At the Visual Studio Code is the same one, so I just using the GitHub version because it's more easy when we want to going to the page. So we will start the explanation. Okay. For the first time, when you enter the document, you need to type down the mark. It was this one. It will be typed down all the HTML head and the body, of course. But in here, as you can see, I make something different in here. I input style. Style is for the CCC tag. I'm using this style for making my demo of my web. So for the first explanation, we will talking about the GCC. In here, first is the body, and you can scroll down. It has many type of the them in here. I'm just explanation about the important. For the first is the body. The body, which is the background of the website and all of the website in here. I'm using padding 20 pixel, and the background color is, if I doesn't wrong, it was black. Then the color of the text is FFF, which is, if I'm doesn't wrong, okay guys, if I'm doesn't wrong, it was white. The OOO is black, the FFF is white. So it has just two color in here, but when you go into the H1, which is the title, I'm using color still FFF because I doesn't make any difference as the H1 and H2, but the difference is at the H3 and H3 is the question and the answer. Okay. For the H1, which is the title, I'm using text align is center, the color is white, and the H2 is my name and my NEM. It was the text align is still center, the color is white, then the border bottom is 2 pixel with solid CCC. If I'm doesn't make any different, remember, CCC is cream, but we can see the real thing when we open up the page, okay? And I'm using padding bottom. It was something like a line under the name and the name. It was using 2 pixels solid. Then the H3, which is the question using cursor pointer. Why? Because uh when you when you swipe at the H3, it will be show up like shadow, and then when you click on it, it will be said something. It will be explained later. Okay. The color is still cream, but I doesn't know which type of cream it was in here. Like in here the code, and the text shadow is a little bit white, but a little bit cream. Then the margin top is 20. And the jawaban or the answer, I'm using display block. It was like this. It was block. Then the weight is 100%. The max weight is 500. Then the height and the overflow, as you can see in here, the background color, if I doesn't wrong, it was not a pitch black, but it was a little bit black. Then the padding is 15, and the border left is 4 pixels solid with color is blue. A little bit blue, darker blue maybe. I a little bit forgot what it. And the font family is in hurry. Then why you see something like confirm in here? Because when you go into the S3, it will be reveal some question. Under it, it will be said to choose yes or no. Then the display is no, the color is red, so make it you easier to see. Then the switch is for making some them. In here, I'm input two type of them. The first one is Rapi, and the second is berantakan. The Rapi one is using fan family, and all of the H3 and the answer using the code that I already explained to you guys. But the berantakan is a little different. For the font family is Arial sans serif, and the H3 in here I'm using different color. It was very contrast from each other. The type of text is very different than the text shadow. Then the answer is doing the same, and you need to a little bit remember how much your close type in here. If has two, you need to input two. If it has three, you need to input three. Because if you wrong, it will be doesn't count to run. Okay, we going through down the button. The button in here is for the number 5, which is you need to run out the bootstrap. I'm using button in here, so I input the group button. Run button is for run something. The run button color is green with the color of the text is white, and all is still same like the usual thing in here. Then the run button hover is the background color. If I'm doesn't wrong, it was white, a little bit white, but doesn't white. Okay. It was close for style. We are done with the TCC. We going to the body. The body in here is say therapy, but if you doing some switch, it will be going to the berantakan. Okay, as you can see in here, it's a dev class switch where the type is checkbox. If you checklist the checkbox, it will be mode switch to the berantakan. If you doesn't check the checkbox, it will be using happy. Then in here, I will be just explain two number. The first one is the number 1, and the second or the last is number 5, because from 1 to 4 is the same, but at the number 5, it has something different. So I need to explain to you guys. For the first, as you can see in here, for number 1, it said on click self confirm. Why? When you drag down your pointer to the H3, which is the title of the question, it will be going, and when you click down, it will be set the confirm. Like I already explained to you guys about the confirm. The confirm will be refill, and it say apa Anda ingin menyembunyikan isi dari bagian tersebut. If you check if you choose to say yes, it will be closed, and the answer will be hide, and if you say no, it will be still reveal the answer. Then you can type down the answer in here, and it will be same for the number 2, number 3, number 4. So we in number 5. Number 5 is a little different at the latest text. It will be said I need to run the bootstrap, which is the number. In here, I input a button. The button it said click saya. It will be going to my personal web. It will sorry. It was a little Okay. It let's continue. It will be going to my website, which is the kzian.github.io/eza/ and it will be done for the body of my website. And then the last is the script. The script is the JavaScript. JavaScript is the something like code making to make your website more interactive and make your creativity more smoothly. For the function, the first function is show confirm. It was for the H3, which is when you want to confirm, you need to click on it, and if you click, it will be show up the confirm. Then the function 2 is for the hide jawaban, which is when you say yes, it will be hide, and when you say no, it will be still revealed. Then the last is document get elementary. It was for the switch mode. In here, if you check box this checked, as you can see in here, this checked. If you check the checkbox, it will be going to the batakan, and if you know, it will be going to the normal one, which is the rati. Maybe just that I can explain about the code. We will going to the web yeah. We're going to here. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Ah, you say text 2, tugas 2. Okay, doesn't have any language in here. If you, I just will be review the normal page. After that, we're going to the chaos one. So when you see in here, it will be scroll down because the width is 150, and the like one is, if I didn't wrong, it was 100. Okay, then if you want to hide it, maybe you just want to write down your question, you can click, then it will be say, apa Anda ingin menyebutkan isi dari bagian tersebut? If you say yes, it will be hide, and you can see. Same like this, like this, like this, and like this. Why I doesn't make it as the normal type and already refill the answer? Because to make the page more fully, I just feel if I just put the question like this, it will be so boring. So still I make the answer already refill. Okay, when you want to see the answer, you can say no, and we say it like this, say no again. Yeah. And if you want to go into the chaos one, you can check both in here. Yeah. And it will be stay like this. Okay, it doesn't make when you going to the chaos one, when you close all the answer in here, it will be revealed again. No, because I just made the function same for all of the page. So when you going to the chaos one, it will be stay the same, and we going to the normal one, it will be stay the same. As you can see, when the chaos one is open up, it will be really chaos like this. The color is orange and the shadow is green. Then in here, the color is blue, and what the what in here? So I just continue to the number 5. At the number 5 is you scroll on. It's not aesthetic at all. So I just want to yeah. As you can see in here, it say the button class, button success, click saya button. In here is the run. If I going to run, you can see my page. Ta-da! You need to give me a code, please. Okay. It was my personal page, but is how you want to go into the tabs again. In here you can go in. How you click the tugas in here text. Okay, as you can see, it said text 1, text 2, 3, 4, 5. The one is the before this one, and the text 2 is, yeah, our text. Maybe just that I can explain to you guys. I'm so sorry if I have I'm so sorry if I have something like a bad English in here, but I'm doing my best. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye.